Okay, today we're going to do some examples of adding and subtracting fractions. The first thing you want to do when you add or subtract a fraction is to get a lowest common denominator. LCD stands for lowest common denominator. Or basically you want to get the smallest number that 3 and 8 will both go into evenly. Okay, so what I like to do is start with the largest number of the two, which is 8 in this case, and start counting by that and see what's the first number I will get to that a 3 will go into evenly. Okay, so 8 obviously is the first multiple of 8. 3 does not go into that evenly. The next number would be 16. 3 does not go into 16 evenly. The next number after that is 24. 3 does go into 24 evenly, so that is our lowest common denominator. So what I'm going to do is basically I need to write two equivalent fractions, and the new denominator is 24 for both of them because it's a common denominator. Okay, so what did I need to do to the 3 to get to 24, or how many times does 3 go into 24? That would be 8 times. So I need to multiply 8 times 3 to get to 24. And whenever you multiply the bottom of a fraction by a number, you have to multiply the top by the same number as well. The reason being, any number over itself is equal to 1, and multiplying any number by 1 is not going to actually change the value. So that's why this is legal to do. We're not actually changing the value of the problem. Okay, so if I multiply, again, the bottom by 8, I get 24. 8 times -1 is -8. That's my new numerator. Same thing over here. What do I have to multiply 8 by to get to 24? Or how many times does 8 go into 24 evenly? Goes in there 3 times. So since I multiply the numerator or the denominator by 3, I have to multiply the numerator by 3 as well to be legal. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9, and I already have the 8 times 3 is 24. So I have two equivalent fractions to get me the answer to the original problem. So what I'm going to do is the denominator stays the same, and then we add or subtract the numerators. In this case, we have -8 plus 9. -8 plus 9 is +1. Now, if you have trouble with your integers, adding, subtracting integers, you can use a calculator if you absolutely have to. We don't want that to keep you from being able to add or subtract fractions. So -8 24ths plus 9 24ths equals 1 24th. That's the same as our original problem, -1/3 plus 3/8. The answer is 1 24th.